Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and everything is fine. My name is Swapna and I'm your grade 4 math teacher. With today's thought is a concentrated and controlled mind is man's best friend. I repeat my thought, a concentrated and controlled mind is man's best friend by Dada J.P. Vaswani. Dear children, in previous class we have learned how to solve a word problem. Let's do a quick recap of it. Here are the steps to be followed to solve a word problem. Step number 1. Read the problem carefully and understand. Step 2. Interpret the information into simple words and statements from the problem and do the following. Step 3. Think, decide and underline the keywords from the problem. Step 4. Do the sum to get the answer. Step 5. Think about the answer whether it is right one or not. These are the steps to be followed to solve a word problem. My dear children, till now we have done 4 word problems. Let's continue with 5th word problem. Let's read 5th word problem carefully from exercise 3F. What number should be subtracted from 9000 to get 6723? So here if we observe 9000 is a bigger number. So let's consider minuend has 9000 and other number that is 6723 as difference. Then what we have to find here? Yes, subtrahend. Subtrahend is a number that should be subtracted from 9000 to get 6723. So to find subtrahend we have to subtract difference from minuend. Let us subtract. 6723 should be taken away from 9000 to get subtrahend. So here we got subtrahend 2277. Let's cross check our answer. So we are subtracting subtrahend from minuend to get the same difference. So 9000 minus 2277 gives the same difference 6723. Thus we write final statement as 2277 should be subtracted from 9000 to get 6723. Let's read sixth word problem carefully and understand. What number should be added to 5021 to get 6537? If we observe 6537 is the bigger number. So let's consider minuend as 6537 and difference 5021. Then we have to find subtrahend because subtrahend is a number that should be added to 5021 to get minuend 6537. So here we have to find subtrahend we have to subtract difference from minuend. So 6537 minus 5021 gives subtrahend as 1516. To check our answer, we add subtrahend and difference to get the same minuend. So here we are adding 5021 and 1516 to get the same minuend 6537. So we write final statement like this. Thus 1516 should be added to 5021 to get 6537. Let's read 7th word problem carefully and understand. Let's read the problem carefully and understand. There were 5,427 bags of wheat in a warehouse. If 4,299 bags were shifted to another warehouse, how many bags were left? Let me explain you what is a warehouse. It is a large building where manufactured goods are stored before they sale. I repeat, warehouse is a large building where manufactured goods are stored before they sale. Now the problem is about 5,427 bags of wheat, out of which 4,299 bags were shifted to another warehouse. So let's start our statements like this. Number of wheat bags in the warehouse. Second statement, number of bags shifted to another warehouse. Third statement, number of bags left. So children, identify the numbers for each statement and write it here and solve the problem with final statement. Let's read 8th word problem carefully. A petrol tanker contains 7,005 liters of petrol. Out of this, 3,994 liters were supplied to a petrol pump. How much petrol is left in the tanker? When we talk about liters, always we measure it in capacity. So we start our sentence with capacity of. Now, my dear children, you are going to complete this word problem with final statement. Today's homework is to solve 7th and 8th word problems after continuation of 5th and 6th word problems in your notebook. And dear children, complete page number 61 mental maths from textbook. Thank you. Dada Sham.